Hello and welcome. I am watching Inception on Netflix. But no problem, I will continue it after our today's class. Today we are going to talk about another topic related to the CloudFront distribution, and the topic name is cache key and origin request. And I am going to give you same example of Netflix to understand all this process. So let's start. Before I am going to explain you this, I want you to find out this particular option while we are creating CloudFront distribution. Here I am in my CloudFront console and I am going to create CloudFront distribution. Now when you scroll down, you will get default cache behavior, and here we have this particular option, cache key and origin request. What is use case and how we can use this particular option to provide proper content to our user. Let's understand this using example. So here I have two different scenarios. Scenario 1, which is actually going to explain you cache hit, which is actually mainly explain you the content of cache policy. The second option we have is cache miss, which is used to explain you about cache policy and origin request policy as well. We are going to start with the cache hit. Now, I am going to explain you how this particular scenario will help us to understand a specific use case of Netflix. Okay. So, step 1. A user in India requests to watch Inception in Hindi at 4K resolution. Action. The request is initiated from user's device to the Netflix. Now here I want to tell you that when we are watching movies from Netflix is giving us too many options. Sometimes it is based on the subscription type. Sometimes it is also based on your devices or your location. Let's say that here it is the origin of Netflix. In the main origin, they have Inception movie, but look at the variation. They have Full HD English, they have Full HD Hindi, they have Ultra HD English, Ultra HD Hindi. So they have all the content available in the origin. Now here we have two age location. Here we can say that two CloudFront age location. Here, Inception, same movie is actually cached. It is in Full HD English. And in location 2, Inception movie is cached with 4K HD Hindi. Okay. And here we have this user who is actually requesting for the movie. Right. So, the first step is user request. Now, request routed to the nearest age location. Step. The request is routed to the nearest age location using DNS or latency-based routing. Action. This can be age location 1 or age location 2 because here we have two locations. If you look at here, depending on which location offers the best performance based on proximity and network conditions. Right. Now, the main picture is coming. Cache check at the age location. Age location 2. Here what we are saying that, okay, let's say that our request is going to this location. Right? In the age location 2. Now here actually cache policy is playing role. Let's understand the role of cache policy. CloudFront uses cache key based on the language resolution etc. to check if the Hindi 4K version is cached or not. This user's requirement is to watch movie in Hindi 4K. Right? So what is the main use case of cache key here? First of all, when request is coming to the age location, this request is for one movie, Inception. But age location have to find out that, okay, you want Inception, but which language you want? You want Inception, but do you want in full HD or ultra HD? So how your age location can find out this? Definitely, this request is actually encoded into the request which is coming from the source, because you selected that I want to watch in Hindi. I have subscription which is supporting 4K. So you requested that I want this. So it will be encoded into the request, but how CloudFront can read this information? How would CloudFront find out that, okay, you want Hindi, 4K, Ultra HD or English HD? What is your requirement, right? So for this, you have to create cache policy. How you can do this? You can go to the policies. Here it is a cache. Here you can click on create cache policy. Here you have to provide policy name and then you have to provide detail. Like in the header, if you will find out that this is 4K requirement, you can also find out some query string or a cookie. So to find out the detail from the source, you have three options. Here, if I'm going to the headers, see here, it will provide me all the details. For example, if the request is coming from the mobile viewer, if the request is coming from the tablet, if the request is coming from the smart TV, they have maybe different version. So you can specify that what kind of request that you are getting. In short, I'm saying that cache key is used to identify request coming from user. Here we are not talking about only Inception movie. We want Inception with 4K, Ultra HD and Hindi. So how you will find out 4K Ultra HD and Hindi? Based on header, query string and cookies. You have to create cache policy here so your CloudFront age location can find out that, okay, whatever you want, it is available in our cache or not. Cache hit. The requested version is found in the cache. Here the requirement is Hindi 4K Inception. So yes, it is available. So if the requested content is available, here we have this. In this case, we don't need to worry about this. We call it cache hit. Action. The content is immediately delivered from the cache to the user. And content delivered, the user experienced the fast and smooth playback because the content was already cached at the age location. So this is like a simple process, and I hope you understood cache key as well. And this is a policy that we can define. Then we have to create distribution from here, and then we can select policy from here. Now, along with policy, okay, cache policy, you can also define compression. You can also define TTL, like for how many seconds you want to cache this content. So you can also define this. It is your default. It is your own setting, right? For how many hours or seconds you want to cache. Otherwise, it will go with the default caching options. Okay. So this is the one thing. Then we have another policy settings as well, which is known as origin request. But origin request will be useless if the scenario is cache hit. Origin request will be only useful if there is a cache miss. So let's understand this as well. I'm going to close this cache hit. Now we are going to start with the same process. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course, 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.